Ever wondered what happens when you combine the creativity of a 7-year-old with the power of AI? No, not another robot dinosaur or candy-powered rocket ship. Surprisingly, a spreadsheet extension. Meet AI for Sheets, where playground imagination meets the world's most notorious productivity tool. This clever Google Sheets extension brings the magic of multiple AI providers like OpenAI, Claude, and Google Gemini right into your spreadsheets. Because who said spreadsheets can't be fun? Need to generate thousands of engaging social media posts? Create targeted ad copy that actually converts? Analyze hundreds of customer feedback in seconds? AI for Sheets has got you covered with 11 powerful, ready-to-use functions that make AI automation a breeze. The best part? It's completely free with your API key. Ready to supercharge your spreadsheets? Install AI for Sheets from the Google Workspace Marketplace today and transform your workflow with AI right where you work.